Hello everyone. I am making this video to kind of show you how the TinkerCAD and Intro to SketchUp project works. So in class you'll receive this worksheet, this piece of paper that details the different lessons that you're going to go through on TinkerCAD. It's an introduction to TinkerCAD. And I want you to kind of start with the basics for CAD, and then we'll kind of get more advanced. And each box, each lesson requires you to be kind of checking it off. And the overall idea is that you're going to complete 4 of the 5 groups below. So for example, this like TinkerCAD lesson starters, that's one group, right? And then the TinkerCAD basics, that's another group. The buttons, that's another group. And there's 5 groups altogether. You're going to complete 4 of them. Let me show you how you get there, right? So on Schoology, you'll have this TinkerCAD class codes. And you'll click on your class code, and it'll take you to TinkerCAD. You'll get logged in using Google in a student account, and it'll take you to this home page. This is TinkerCAD's home page, and this is where you can create designs. But right here on the left, you'll see the word classes. And you'll find your class down here. Now, obviously, I have more classes and stuff like that. Now, when you click on your class, it'll take you to a bunch of lessons. So when you click on your class, it'll take you to this page and you'll see these different lessons. And if you notice right here, it says Layer A Starters, Layer A Basics, Layer A Buttons. These correlate to the worksheet where it says TinkerCAD Starters, TinkerCAD Basics, TinkerCAD Buttons, right? And so on it, you'll see the starters, the basics, the buttons, the jewelry. And when you click on them, so for example, the starters is where you'll start. You'll see place it, group it, move it, duplicate it, which correlates to place it, group it, move it, duplicate it. And you will work through these lessons, checking them off. Now, some of you might have done this in 6th grade. Some of you might have done it in junior engineering. I don't know. We're learning the basics. We're refreshing our minds with it. So if you have done it before, you click on it and it might say completed. Just make sure you hit reset. Click reset. It'll reset the whole tutorial and then you can click start. Now, on the left side of the screen, after you get it started, on the left side of the screen is the directions on how to do it. And you click next and you follow the on-screen instructions. It's kind of teaching you how to use a CAD technology. The camera can be moved by holding down the right mouse click button. Zoom in follows wherever your mouse is. So wherever your mouse is, it'll zoom in according to the mouse. But you can also click the home button to reset the camera. Or if you have an object selected, you can click this button, which means fit view, and it'll fit it perfectly on the screen. So you guys are going to slowly work through these lessons, right? You're going to get the starters done, which are very easy. I believe you can do some of these in like probably 30 seconds or a minute. And you're going to work through the basics, the buttons, the jewelry, and you kind of are going to bounce around. You get to do 4 of these 5 groups. That's how Layer A works. Go on to Schoology. Get there by using the class code so it links you to the class. Then you follow the activities, right? You follow those activities on there to complete each checked box. Thanks, everybody.